They mocked him, they used him, and then they forgot him. This is the story of Nikola Tesla, the man who powered our modern world, but died alone and penniless. Tesla wasn't born into wealth or fame, but he possessed a mind a century ahead of its time. He invented alternating current, the very electricity that lights up your home right now. Without him, your phone, your computer, your entire city, none of it would work the way it does. But here's the tragedy. While others, like Thomas Edison, built empires and became famous, Tesla gave away his patents, worth millions, simply so everyone could have affordable electricity. He wasn't building a fortune, he was building the future. In his final years, he had no family, no money, and no recognition. His only friends were the pigeons he fed in the park. On January 7, 1943, one of history's greatest minds died in a small hotel room, forgotten by the very world he illuminated. But every time you flip a switch, you're using Tesla's gift to humanity. The world may remember the rich, but it runs on the ideas of the forgotten.